Every year, thousands of Americans start planning their dream barnominium after seeing a price online that feels almost too good to be true. A number, a beautiful photo, and a promise. Luxury living for less. But many of those same people discover, months into construction, that the number they were counting on was only the beginning of the story. The real gap between a well-planned luxury build and a budget disaster almost never comes from bad luck. It comes from costs nobody mentioned before the first shovel hit the ground. Today, we're breaking down what it actually takes to build a premium barnominium in 2026, and exactly why so many people get the math wrong before construction even begins. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the place for honest, no-fluff breakdowns of what it really costs to build the home you want. No sales pitch, just numbers and real decisions. In this video, you'll learn what luxury actually means in today's barnominium market, which cost gets silently left out of every advertisement, where buyers consistently overspend, where they can save without sacrificing quality, and we'll walk through real-world examples that bring every one of these lessons to life. If you enjoy practical cost breakdowns and honest home building insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. We post new videos like this every week. Before we talk numbers, we need to talk about why the numbers you've already seen are probably wrong for your situation. Most barnominium ads lead with a per square foot price, and that number is almost always the shell price. The metal structure, roof, and siding. Not a finished livable home. Search engines and social media make this worse, because a stunning photo of a finished luxury interior gets attached to a shell-only price tag, and nobody corrects the mismatch. A headline that says barnominiums from $100,000 isn't technically false. It's just describing a different product than the one in the photo next to it. So before talking numbers, let's define what you're actually paying for. Luxury isn't just square footage. It's a list of decisions, and every one of them moves your budget. We're talking about open, upscale layouts, vaulted ceilings that require taller framing and more structural steel, upgraded insulation, like closed-cell spray foam instead of standard fiberglass. High-end kitchens with custom cabinetry and stone countertops. Large window packages that flood a home with light but cost significantly more than standard windows. Smart home technology woven into lighting, security, and climate control. Outdoor living spaces, covered porches, outdoor kitchens, fire features. And throughout all of it, the quality of craftsmanship in the finished work. None of these are optional add-ons in a true luxury build. They're the definition of it. And each one silently adds to a number that started out looking very affordable. Let's ground this in a real example. Picture a 1,800 square foot barnominium. Clean modern farmhouse exterior, black metal siding, a wraparound porch, open concept living and kitchen space, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car attached garage. Built to a true mid to upper finish level in 2026. A home like this honestly lands between $270,000 and $360,000 completed. Roughly $150 to $200 per square foot for the structure and interior alone. That's a smart starting point for someone who wants premium touches without going overboard on size. At first glance, this looks like a complete luxury build. But one important cost still hasn't been included. Here's the part most people miss. Before the first wall goes up, that homeowner needs site preparation. Clearing, grading, sometimes bringing in fill dirt. Then utility connections. Well, and septic if it's rural land, which alone can run tens of thousands of dollars. Permits and inspections add fees that seem small individually, but add up over a project. Then there's the driveway, the landscaping, financing costs on a construction loan, and critically, a contingency fund because something unexpected shows up on nearly every build. Site work and utilities alone can add $20,000 to $75,000 depending on the land. Once those pieces are added, the total budget starts to look very different from the number on the builder's website. If this is opening your eyes to costs you hadn't considered, that's exactly why I make these videos. Hit that like button so more people planning a build see it too. Consider this next example. A homeowner who did this differently. Instead of maximizing square footage, they build a 1,500 square foot barndo with a highly efficient layout. No wasted hallway space, a great room that does double duty as living and dining, and a single generous primary suite instead of 3 smaller bedrooms. They invested in a stunning kitchen and durable, beautiful flooring, but chose stock cabinetry with upgraded hardware instead of full custom builds, saving tens of thousands of dollars without anyone noticing the difference visually. The result was a home that feels far more upscale than its price tag, settling in around $225,000 to $270,000 completed, because every dollar went toward what people actually notice and use. By now, it should be clear that building a premium barnominium isn't just about choosing a beautiful design. It's about understanding which decisions add real, lasting value, and which simply increase the budget without improving the day-to-day living experience. That distinction is the difference between the people who love their finished home and the people who feel like they overpaid for it. Keep that in mind, because it's about to matter even more. If you want your budget to work as hard as possible, certain categories consistently deliver more impact per dollar than others. Kitchens are the single highest leverage room in any home. Buyers notice them immediately, and quality here reads as luxury throughout the whole house. Windows dramatically affect how a space feels, letting in natural light that makes even modest square footage feel expansive. Layered lighting, not just overhead fixtures, changes the entire mood of a home. Proper insulation affects comfort and utility bills for as long as you own the home. Flooring takes more daily wear than almost anything else, so quality there pays off. And exterior finishes are what create curb appeal and lasting durability. These are the areas that consistently deliver the greatest return, both in everyday enjoyment and in resale value. Our third example is a 2,000 square foot barndominium built for a family who wanted practical luxury, not excess. Functional mudroom, a well-placed home office, a kitchen island big enough for real family life, and an attached 800 square foot shop for hobbies and storage. Nothing about this home is extravagant, but nothing about it feels cheap either. The completed price tag, $320,000 to $380,000, making it a strong example of how balance, not size, not excess, often creates the most livable version of luxury. There are design principles that make a home feel far more expensive than its actual price tag, and they apply to every example we've covered. Ceiling height changes how a room feels more than almost any other variable. Natural light, from windows, skylights, and glass doors, makes spaces feel open and premium. Using consistent materials throughout, rather than switching finishes room to room, creates a cohesive, high-end look. Warm, intentional color palettes read as designed rather than default. Good interior flow between rooms matters more than raw square footage. And furniture scaled appropriately to the room ties the whole look together. Every featured home we've shown used at least 3 of these principles, and it's a major part of why they feel more upscale than their price suggests. Our final example is the closest thing to a complete luxury barndominium. 2,800 square feet, board and batten and stone exterior accents, soaring 14-foot great room ceilings, a chef's kitchen with a waterfall island, a primary suite with a spa-style bathroom, and a covered outdoor living area with a fireplace. Homeowners here typically spend between $560,000 and $700,000, depending on land and site conditions. It's a significant investment, but every element serves a purpose. Nothing here is spending for the sake of spending. That's what separates deliberate luxury from unnecessary excess. So let's answer the question directly. Online prices can be misleading not because they're dishonest, but because they're incomplete. They describe a shell, not a home. For a truly premium, fully finished barndominium in 2026, grounded budgets range from about $250,000 for a smart, efficient smaller build, up to $700,000 or more for a large, fully custom home with premium finishes throughout. Planning matters more than chasing the lowest quote, because the lowest quote is rarely the final number. Practical expectations, set before you break ground, are what lead to a homeowner who's thrilled with their finished home instead of one blindsided by their final invoice. If I were building a premium barnominium in 2026, I'd prioritize an efficient layout over maximum square footage every time. I'd invest in energy efficiency, better insulation, and windows, because that pays you back every single month you live there. I'd spend where people actually notice: the kitchen, the flooring, the lighting. And I'd build in flexibility for the future, so the home can adapt as life changes, instead of needing an expensive renovation 5 years in. The homes, prices, and cost examples featured in this video are illustrative composites based on publicly available builder information, listings, and market research available at the time of production. Actual costs vary depending on location, labor rates, permits, materials, customization, financing, and market conditions. This video is intended for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, construction, or real estate advice. Always consult qualified professionals and conduct your own research before making building decisions. 3 things to remember. Budget for the complete project, not just the shell. Invest in the choices that improve everyday living, not just the ones that photograph well. And remember that luxury is created through deliberate planning, not simply spending more. The most successful barnominium projects aren't necessarily the most expensive ones. They're the ones where every dollar has a clear purpose. If you were planning your own premium barnominium, what's the one feature you'd never compromise on? A chef's kitchen, soaring ceilings, a spacious workshop, or a relaxing outdoor living area? Tell me in the comments. And if this video helped you see the real numbers behind a luxury build, like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more honest home building breakdowns, luxury home tours, and barnominium inspiration coming every week.